Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay to buy Robux. First, ensure your Apple Pay is fully set up on your iOS device with a valid payment method. Then, open the Roblox application and navigate to the Robux purchase section. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction, allowing you to quickly access the various Robux packages available within the game. Make sure your device is ready for a seamless purchase experience. Once you are in the Robux purchase area, you will see several different packages. Select the amount of Robux you wish to buy, for example, 800 Robux or 1,700 Robux. Tap the price button associated with your chosen package. A pop-up will appear, and you should confirm that Apple Pay is clearly displayed as your preferred payment method before proceeding to the next step. To finalize your purchase, you will need to authenticate the transaction. This typically involves using Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your device's passcode. Carefully review all the transaction details presented on the screen, including the amount of Robux and the total cost. It is important to ensure that your linked payment method has sufficient funds to cover the purchase before confirming. After successful authentication, you will receive an immediate confirmation that your Robux purchase is complete. Your new Robux balance should update almost instantly within the Roblox application, usually within a few seconds. You can now enjoy spending your newly acquired Robux on exciting in-game items, experiences, or avatar customizations. Happy gaming with your fresh Robux!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.